Assalamualaikum. I am Nilkar Yasmin. Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine. I am your science teacher. Welcome to my online class. Today I discuss with you Chapter 9, Technology in Our Life. Dear students, our today's chapter is based on theoretical topics. So, let's focus on the today's topics. Please take your science book and open your book, page number 62. Technology in our life. Now, we are studying by using technologies such as books, pen, table, electric bulb, clock. Scientific knowledge is used to invent these technologies. What are the differences between science and technology? What relationships are there between them? Dear students, do you know what is science? Science is the knowledge or study about the natural world. Now I discuss it in details. Science is a special kind of knowledge. Do you know what knowledge is? Knowledge is information related to something. Now the question that may arise is, what information is related to science? We have learned about living, non-living things, water, air and soil in our grade 3-4. These are the elements of natural environment. Moreover, you are also familiar with various natural phenomena such as how rain falls, how plants produce their food, etc. Therefore, science is the special knowledge related to nature and natural phenomena. But any information related to nature is not science. If someone gives an imaginative explanation of a natural happening, that may not be considered as science. That explanation needs to be validated through experiments or observations. Hence, scientific explanations must be supported by information gathered through the process of systematic experiment or observation. Dear students, you might have heard interesting tales on the origins of rainfall. But do these tales explain the causes and origins of rainfall from scientific point of view? No, these types of explanations are not based on science because they are not grounded or supported by any experimental findings. So dear students, how do we acquire this knowledge? We acquire the knowledge of science through experiments. These are the process of science as the knowledge is science. Similarly, the process of acquiring knowledge is also science. A scientific process is required to acquire the knowledge of science. A scientific mind of viewpoint is also needed. This includes logical thinking, recognizing others' opinion and admitting self-errors. This is also known as being science-oriented. So dear students, you can see activity in your textbook, page number 62, use of science and technology. What to do? Make a table like the one shown below. Here is a 3 columns. First column is situation, second technology, and third science knowledge. First column transportation, medical care, agriculture, house. Second column technology, car, and science knowledge. Example given, heat, mechanical energy. Make a list of technology and science knowledge that used to make the technology in each situation in the table. Dear students, share your idea with your parents or brothers or sisters. You can see a girl. She says, TB is a technology. What kinds of science knowledge are used for TB? The boy says, I think that we use the science knowledge such as electricity, energy transformation, light, sound, and heat in the TV. Okay, students, now I discuss with you differences between science and technology. Science. Science is the knowledge or study about the natural world. It is based on the facts learned through observation and experimentation to describe and explain natural phenomena. When scientists investigate and answer questions about the world around us, they follow the scientific method that includes the steps as shown in the table below. Dear students, you can see a table. Science is the knowledge or study about the world. Or technology is the practical application of science. Science is based on observation and experiment. Technology is the result of that science. Science does not solve the practical problems. Technology solves the practical problems. Science provides us with spatial knowledge. Technology provides us with comforts and luxuries. So dear students, now I discuss with you scientific method. In your textbook, you can see a column which is steps and description, scientific method, observation. Now I discuss with you observation. Experiment is an important method of finding new knowledge in science. In this method, a scientist at first takes a probable decision in the light of known or existing information in order to answer a certain question. Then he verifies the validity of the hypothetical decision through experiments. If the hypothesis is not supported by the data, he may decide to take a new probable decision. After that, he again verifies the new decision through further experiments. The main characteristics of experimental method is in it only one variable is changed, keeping all the other static. The various steps of experimental method are described below. Observation. By observing the world around you, you can notice the things happen or the phenomena, or you may have a particular topic of interest. Now I discuss with you question. When we saw, heard or read something, we may have questions about that. Choose a question that can be answered by making observation or experiment. Now I discuss with you hypothesis. By using previous knowledge, make a guess that answer your question, write it down. This is your hypothesis. Experiment. Decision a case of justify if the hypothesis is true or not. List the materials you will need. Write the steps you will follow. Collect data and record the results of your experiment. Conclusion. Analyze the data you collected and summarize your results. Think about your results that either support your hypothesis or not. Sharing. Report your results and share it to others. Dear students, you can see a picture in your textbook, page number 63. You can see the students are experimenting in the lab. I hope you can see and understand what are they doing. Now I discuss with you technology. Technology is the practical application of science. Technology is the practical application of science to solve the problems of our life. Dear students, you can also see the picture of some sciences applied for technologies. Here is a field, computer, car. Technology uses to design products, tools and processes that improve the quality of human life. For example, scientists have studied about electricity and built up our understanding of electricity. The scientific knowledge is applied to create technologies such as refrigerator, TV, mobile and light. Technology is used in many fields such as education, medical care, communication and transportation. So dear students, no more today. Next class I discuss with you relationship between science and technology. My dear students, if you have if you read at least 3 times, you can give any answer of questions. So dear students, please note down today's homework. I hope you have finished your writing. If you have any inquiry, please contact with me. Thank you.